Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. So let's just get started without any delay. You can start by opening up by going to your Google account settings, open up any of the browser for that. And once you open up your browser, you can go to myaccount.google.com. So go over here and type in myaccount.google.com and hit enter. Hit go, and when you do, it will open up your Google page here. So here what you need to do is you can sign in with your Gmail account if you have not already, and you will be finding this interface. Now from the sidebar right here, you need to head over to the option called security. So go ahead and find security and tap on it. And once you tap on security, here you will be finding different security options. You may scroll down and go to the option for my devices or your devices. So just go ahead and find it up and tap on this option called manage my devices, manage all devices. And when you go over manage all devices, here you will be seeing all of the devices where your Google account is currently signed in. So there you will be going. After that, you can just go over and tap on the device that you would like to sign out from. And once you tap on it, you will be finding an option of signing it out. You can verify it's you before doing so. Just go ahead and verify yourself. And once you verify yourself, here you can just go ahead and click the sign out option that will instantly remove your Google account from that device. And that's it. So that is how you do it. That way you can successfully remove your Gmail account from another device. So if this video helped, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching this video.